Oh my gosh. Poor Jared. Look at this, guys.
It's already accumulated another like inch.
I know, that's why I just told Carrie, like, good luck, because as soon as he plows, it's just coming down.
He's already plowed this twice. Oh, look at this. It's snow. Oh my gosh. I get in the light a little bit so I can see you. Like he's straight up look like the guy from Home Alone. The caked in it. Are you cold?
No, I'm warm.
Oh,
I'm kind of sweating.
that's why that jacket is good. Oh my god, babe. You're caked in it. It's all over you. Shake like a dog. Shake. It doesn't come off. Oh. Look at this, guys. We've got a lot of snow. Needless to say. We just drove that car too. Look at that deck. Look at this, guys. We've got a lot of snow. Needless to say. We just drove that car too. Look at that deck. Alright. I think I did about workout for about a year and a half now. I don't have to work out because that was a lot of work. I think I lost like 30 pounds. And it's still, I don't know if you can see, but it's still snowing. Hurry up, Dad. I don't want you to like it to snow where you can't get in again. I did the, oh my, oh yeah. Alright, I'm going to bed. This is, oh god. Look at our mailbox. It's buried in the snow. Alright, I'm going in. So this is what we've got. This is my foot. Look at that. Better yet, look at this. It's even higher on that side. And look at that side. No joke, dude. I'm gonna come over there and show you. Oh my god. Oh god, guys. Look at this. You guys. Look at the car. Oh man. We gotta start already. Oh my god. Oh my shoes. Look how high the snow is on my leg.
Babe, hold on. I gotta watch Chloe though.
She's fine. Ready?
All right, here we go.
So I just fall back? What
Yep, just fall back. Just fall straight back. There you go.
Ah, it hurts my hands.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Oh, oh my god. Oh my god.
Nice.
Oh! Hey! Look at you. Look at you, baby. Oh my gosh. Look at you. Oh my god.